So today we're going to look at stem and leaf plots. This is a different way to plot, or really in my mind I just think of a different kind of graph to organize data for me to be able to understand and see it more clearly. Okay, so I have this chart and it's little baby chicks and how much they weigh. Well, that I'm not understanding very well. It's just a bunch of numbers staring at me. So we're going to reorganize it using a stem and leaf. Okay. So, stem and leaf plot. The best way to look at it is the stem as our, well, that was not on pin, as our tens place, and the leaf as the ones place. So let's look at the number 16. Okay. The 6 is in the ones place, so that would go here. And the 1 is in the tens place, so it would go there. That's the best way and the way I think to look at the stem and leaf. Okay. So we have all these numbers. We have stem on this side and leaf on the right. Okay. So looking at our numbers, let's see what numbers we have in the tens place. So before the 7 here, a 0. There's a 1, I see a 2. So let's list in order. We have 0, 1, 2, and we'll keep adding if we need to. So let's start with all the ones with the 0. So we have here, here, and there. So we have a 6, 7, and a 5. Well, we need to put them in order on the way we count, or from least to greatest. So 5 would go first, then the 6, and then 7 would be the third. And then we're done with those numbers. So let's cross those off. Okay. All right. Next, let's look at the ones place. The 1 in the tens place. So 19, 10, 11, 13, 18, 12, another 12, nope, 11, and another 12. All right, so let's put them in order from least to greatest, or the way we count. So the smallest number here is 10, so 1 and the 0. Get that one, we cross that one off. So let's look at the next. After 10, 11. Oh, we have 2 11s. So we'll put 1, 1, because there's 2. So that there for that 11. And then we cross those off. So after 11, 12. Yep, we have 12s. There's 3 12s. So there's 3 2s that we need to put with the leaves. So 1, 2, 3. So there, 3 2s. Okay, next, 13. We have 1, so 13. All right, let's see. 14, nope. 15, nope. 16, none. 17, none. But we have an 18. So we put an 8. And there's a 19. So we have a 9. And then we're done with all the numbers, starting with a 1 in the tens column. So let's cross those off. Still need that 9 there? Okay. So now let's look with the 2 being in the tens place. So we have 4 numbers. We have a 25, 21, a 20, and another 21. So the smallest number, 20. So 2 and a 0, and cross it off. The next smallest, 21, and there's 2 of them. So I need to put 2 ones down and cross those off. And our last number is a 5. And cross off those numbers, and they're all done. They're all on this stem and leaf plot. This is the answer. Okay, so now on page 5 of your packet, I'd like for you to try this problem. So it's the number of minutes the students in Mr. Blackwell's class spent doing their homework in one night. It's shown. Display the data in this stem and leaf plot. So there's 42 minutes, 5 minutes, 75 minutes, 30, 45, 47, 0, 24, 45, 51, 56, 23, 39, 30, 49, 58, 55, 75, 45, and 35. So go ahead and have a stem and your leaf. And go ahead and plot all of this. Now, if there's, let's say, I have to have a 0 because I have a 5 and a 0. But I have to have every number in between. If you notice, nothing starts with a 6. So I would still have a 6, but right here on the leaf, I'll leave it blank and then move on to the 7s with 75. So I'd have a 5 there. So a 7 with a 5 down there. All right, so go ahead, pause the video, and go ahead and try this problem on your own. Okay, and then your homework is skills page 8-3. Again, just like yesterday, if you have any questions, you can put it in the comments and upload it to where this video is on the Google Classroom. This homework, try to do all of it and it will be due tomorrow.